question to check which of this is not a factor of this polynomial. Okay, what you want to do is not just getting here and trying to solve out the factor of the polynomial, which will take you a lot of time. The best strategy is to do the try and error method by finding the value of x here and substituting it here without using a calculator. Okay, let's start with this one. Or we can do the by elimination by looking at the one that is less likely to be the factor. Okay, looking at it, you can just choose this one first of all. You have 2x plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0, which means x is equals to half. Okay, substituting half here, you are going to have 2 into half cube minus 5 into half square minus 4 into half plus 3. Okay, we are going to have what? Is equals to 8, therefore that will be this one 8 minus 5 on 4 minus 2 plus 3. That will be 2 on 8 is 1 quarter minus 5 on 4 minus 2 plus 3. That will be equals to 1 quarter. 4, we have 4. That will be 4 minus 4 minus 2 plus 3. That will be negative 1 minus 2 plus 3. And this is a factor. Okay, moving to this one, x plus 1 is equals to minus 1. Substitution minus 1 here, that will be minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 5 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 3. That will be what? Minus this plus this, that will be 5, 6, 7 minus 7 plus 7. This will be if 0, hence this is a factor. A factor is when you substitute and you have a 0. Okay, taking minus 3 I think this one, see this one is a bit longer, we can keep this one aside and test negative and test this one, because if you put minus 3 without the calculator you have a problem solving out, because 3 cubed is 27 and will be a bit complicated. Let's take this one down. That will be 1, okay, equals to 0, we have 1. That will be 2 minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Automatically you have what? 2 minus this, that is minus 3 minus 4 plus 3. And if you take a look at this one will not give 0. Hence, this is the answer. You see that now? You had directly the answer. Hence, B is the one that is not the factor, because we are looking for one that is not the factor. Automatically, this one is a factor. Okay, that is by elimination to find the wrong one first. Okay, and we come to the end. That is a strategy that will make you gain a lot of time. You see.